Hey guys, so this is something I found on Reddit, like the water not flowing for the Nespresso Lattissima, not pumping water, and this is the thing that you can try to do. I found my Nespresso Lattissima won't pump any water. After a bit of research, it appears to become an issue due to error log. I tried several proposed solutions, but nothing works. At my wit's end, I tried to think of ways to create a suction around the water pump opening. As it turns out, a camelback bite valve works perfectly to create a tight seal. Here's what I did. Place the bite valve stop end the side with the slit directly to the pump. Place the straw into the open end and suck. Don't blow hard a few times. After a 3 hard suck, I place the water reservoir back on and press on Lungo settings a few times. By the third time, the water started to flow. So this is possibly the thing that you want to do, and look what he did here. Water opening, and then it's like camelback bite valve, slit the slide into the water. And he just then just took it out. And even he used like infant paracetamol syringe to push some water through at the same time as the pump was running. It worked. So yeah.